In front of me is Xiaomi 17, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply Apple layout on this Android. First of all, go into Play Store and download free app called LauncherOS from Launcher Studio. When it's ready, exit Play Store and go into Settings. Following that, scroll to access apps. Click on those three dots at the top right corner and select Other Settings. Now click on Default Apps and click on Launcher at the top. This way you can click on Launcher Pro to apply it instead of your system launcher. Click on Home button, tap on Allow All and wait for all of those options to load in. As you can see, after a few seconds, my launcher was successfully applied. If you wanna make any changes, you can always go into Launcher app and manage all of those however you wish. If you wanna go back to your default launcher, just go back to Devices Settings and click on System Launcher over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!